Smart Tech and Trade.
Welcome back viewers. Wix vs Squarespace 2026 Website Building Guide. Choosing the right website builder can make or break your online presence, especially in 2026 when customers expect fast, modern and mobile-ready website. Wix and Squarespace are two of the most powerful all-in-one website platform, each offering powerful tool to create, design, and manage your online business without needing to code. Which one is actually best for your goal? Whether you're launching an online store, portfolio, blogs, and business site, both platforms have unique strengths from Wix flexible drag and drop freedom to Squarespace slick design templates and built-in feature. In this guide, we'll compare Wix versus Squarespace across key factors like of use, design capabilities, e-commerce tools, SEO features, pricing and scalability so you can make an informed choice and build the best website for your business in 2026 digital world. Have a professional website is no longer optional. It's essential whether you are small business owner, freelancer, bloggers and entrepreneurs. The right website save your money and efforts. In 2026, Wix and Squarespace remain two of the most powerful website builders, but choosing between them can be confusing. Let's break down Wix versus Squarespace and help you decide which platform is best for your business. Need easy of use. Wix is known for its beginner-friendly interface. It offers a true drag and drop editor allowing you to place elements anywhere. Wix also provides Wix Editor. Artificial design intelligence can be automatically create a website based on your answer to a few questions. Squarespace, on the other hand, use a structures editor. While it is still easy to use, it offers freedom compared to Wix. However, its structure helps maintain clean and professional layout. Winner. Wix better for complete beginner who want maximum flexibility. Design and templates. Squarespace is famous for its elegant, modern, and visually stunning templates. All templates are professionally designed and optimized for mobile devices, making it the ideal for creative photographers and brands that focus on aesthetic. Wix offers a larger number of templates across many industries. While some designs are excellent, quality can vary depending on the templates. Winner. Squarespace best for premium polished design, customization and flexibility. When it comes to customization, its clearly stand out. You can really move elements, add animation, and install app for the Wix app market to extend functionality. Squarespace offers customization through style, spreading, setting, and customers plans, but it does not match fixed flexibility. Best quality winner. Wix ideal for user who want full creative control. E-commerce feature. E-commerce features. Both platforms e-commerce, but they serve slightly. E-commerce is great for small to medium online stores. It supports multiple payment options, product variation, and third-party app. Squarespace Commerce offers built-in tool with a clean interface perfect for boutique store, digital product and service based. Winner is Thai. Wix for flexibility, Squarespace for simplicity, and design focused store. SEO and marketing tool. Here, when SEO is crucial for only online success. AI has certificately approved to SEO feature offering SEO checklist, customization, meta tag, and strong blogging tools. Squarespace provides clean code, fast loading time, and built-in SEO features, but offer fewer advanced SEO controls compared to Wix. The winner is Wix. More SEO tools and guidance for beginners. Pricing and value. Wix offer more space and new. Squarespace does not offer a free plan, but include hosting, security, and templates in all pack plan. The winner is Wix better the budget. Confused user. Final widget. Which website built in best for 2026? Choose Wix if you are a beginner. You want maximum customization. You need advanced SEO tool. You want a free plan option. Use Squarespace if you care deeply about design and branding. You want a clean professional website. You run a creative and services based business. You prefer simplicity over flexibility. Both are powerful website builder, but choosing the right one can directly impact your business growth. In this video, we'll break down Wix versus Squarespace can help you decide which website builder is best for your business. Let's start with easy to use. Wix is extremely beginner friendly. It offers a Squarespace editor and even a Squarespace that can create a site for you in minutes. You can place elements anywhere and want, giving you full creative freedom. Squarespace is also easy to use but follow a more structured layout. This means fewer chance to mess up your design, but also a hosting of webs if you are beginner with. is easier to start with, even it become to design. Squarespace is known for its gleaming. It is a favorite among photographer design and brand that care, which on the other hand offer more templates and customization options. You can customize elements, add more and design freely, but Squarespace need for premium design. Squarespace wins for flexibility with step the fleet, but platform support online store. Wix is great for small or medium e-commerce businesses with advanced app. Squarespace is perfect for stylish online store and digital marketing. For SEO is 2026, which has improved massively, offering SEO advanced setting. Squarespace have solid SEO basic but fewer customization options. For SEO and growth, tool Wix and stronger. It offers more pricing options and even a free plan, while Squarespace only offers two premium. So which one should you choose? Choose Wix for flexibility and SEO feature. Choose Squarespace for stunning design and simplicity. So now the choice is in your hand. Wix or Squarespace. Flexibility or design. Perfection. No matter which one you choose, the best website is the one you actually launch. Start building, keep improving, and don't forget your online success start with one click. See you in the next video. Bye bye.